The nice thing about cabinetry, the students get to come up with their own project. It's just really awesome, anything they can imagine. They purchase the materials and then we work with them hands-on, and it's just a great chance for the students to build something that they can take with them forever. There's a great opportunity for future employment in the cabinet shop. We do go to a few places here in town, a couple different places that they have the opportunity where they could actually get employed. And some of my past students do have current jobs at Showplace right now.
I like the hands-on learning. I mean, I'm not somebody that could just sit in an office. I need to be up, moving around, and working with my hands.
It's different from carpentry because we get to build, what we want to build, like furniture. While carpentries, we build an actual house. We started off making a box so that we had time to get our projects together and what we wanted to do. And then when we had our projects, we calculated how much wood we would need. I heard about this class from Pizza Pop and Power Tools program at my middle school, and I got interested, and as soon as possible, I took it.
A lot of people like to have that little woodworking shop. This gives them that opportunity to get the basics, but then they can build on their own shop down the road and always have that opportunity. I've seen rocking chairs, dressers. The students have made some wonderful projects. Little lanterns that light up with epoxy, river tables, anything you can imagine. And it's just a blessing to see. And I tell the students, in 30 years, it's nice to have that thing you made back in high school.
I've learned so much from these teachers, and I've met so many good people, and I highly recommend taking these classes.
What I'd say I would leave with after I'm done taking this class is more knowledge into some of the woodworking tools, some more knowledge in how to problem solve if I have a minor or major inconvenience in my project. It sets me up for job opportunities like Showplace Cabinetry. The time flies by really fast. You can think you're there for 10 minutes when you're actually there for 2 hours. Just go right in. It's really nice and everybody's welcoming.